The reason just connect with this type of update here is that now to show that you actually said this type of thing. Because now when with a video seeing them mad that now JPAC and the local government chairman ma hear their plan towards that native doctor. Why is he posting and JPAC is the one publishing it? Why is he posting? Or is he trying to pay them back by Mojahana Umokbontu village, no Sisi Ndudunokbontu of that arrangement? Or is there a hidden plan in Hinemen? But that's a story for another day. Now again, Tina in a screamer from left to right, here for right up. First one, the Nakokosi. Information reaching me now, JPAC, that a believer of the gospel is going about the village searching for native doctors that will pursue rain throughout the program. Then, Osikwa, in his own view, rain is not a bad thing. Rather, it will be a rain of revival. This is sarcasm in another level. Who is that believer? It's the information reaching you. Who is that believer? Na asiyuno. Na actually be a mili. Achuro mili last year. Or this year. Ndezayon and abia belenu. That place. Kubi or bunu abia. The thing there is that these people, like I said from the beginning, they know what they are doing. And they know their agenda and they have their plan. Edukwam na native doctor na command mmili no ọkụkọ ka you command. Ntabu no ọkụkọ ka you command. Enwere ka esi use ihe for a common good. Enwere ka esi eme gini ka esi use ihe for a common good. Obula these people they smart enough na ha me ha da eme. That native doctor should have come out in order to buy the heart of the people. As eji ihe eji mmili. Akunu na afia na neji mme na meji ile nda anwa mmiri until he megide ha na ememecha, which I am not in support of any dibia. If that's not a male on anything you are doing it on your own. So now, like I said, if they are smart enough, this is me talking about smartness now, not endorsing witchcraft. And I'm not endorsing witchcraft or occultism. Neither am I endorsing people serving another god except in Kahama. Now, JPAC will need to come out and tell people who is that believer and who is passing him the information. So, in other words, that native doctor Hane promoter is in the sense telling them too that he's going to do undo. And have it at the back of your mind that million Hane may expect to go so is those. Because throughout today I was watching Kamfe million zone non-stop. Or a little rain drop today. And people are doing even what they are doing much better. Because Zion things, everything they need, everything they use it in easy, including their crane cameras or the easy. So milli is a good case, milli making be that, but it has been there and everything is still working perfectly very well. Then in at the comment at the other screen here for BJ Park the laws also 4 native doctors have agreed to merge with the current native doctor who bragged to disrupt Zion program with heavy rain and mighty thunder tomorrow, October 10. According to the sources, they say tomorrow will be huge with a heavy wind and lightning. Osekwa, May, does it mean na development na so Ndingo Bala afọ? This is him talking from another angle again. So, who are those native doctors? Because also the information Oji Megine, Oji reach out in order to scare people away from coming to the program. Also, see how he had Jomugi, Kerebenda no see what is their agenda. All these things beginning Ojo in order to try to scare people away. So, which means on one milisi today, which means the 4 native doctor merge, including Kenobo and number 5. Or where you will be that. So does this now shows that an Ikeki Ikede? Because na wonder. There are things in the that I've come to understand that a lot of people na really queens but they don't know. Let me explain. There is something I learned 2 years ago. 2 years ago that again, Satan will make you think that you know what you are doing, but deep down you don't know what you are doing, and you are serving their master without knowing that you are serving him. Kita no abozkwa mgbe ya kwata na-achọ ka ịfụ ndị ya kwa red na room every night asị na ha na-eje meeting before you man and that about occultic. No, they are everywhere now, including social media. They are everywhere today, and one of the smartest things they are doing now is that they will recruit you to be working for them, and you will not know that you are indirectly or directly serving somebody in exchange for something. It may be in exchange for a connection, but you don't know. It may be in exchange for food, but you did not know. Because Kwenu is a very smart businessman. He is no this proposal. Reject we'll see another way where there. Just like Mbobia meeting Jesus. Watch the temptation. Obia say an obulo neighbor. All his things open us in an obulo neighbor. Obulo neighbor. Or now I say an Nancy neighbor. Or say obulo neighbor. Mwachuku nwankechuku. May ha call all bread. Obulo neighbor mwachuku si name eba wutu that na asili. So he's trying in a way to bring a business idea to him. And what was Jesus replied? Also, yeah, it is written. Everything in Jesus was yeah, it is written. It is written. It is written. And the Bible said that, and Satan left him for a season. Which means Kwenu doesn't give up. If he comes and now you resist, because also again in the book of Job, it could be also after voyaging through and followed to the earth, which means Kwenu got everywhere, but he is not everywhere at the same time. That is why you when which agent or plant, just like this man and they do these things on there, and that native doctor made those noise. Plant agent are everywhere. It's a calculated move, just like somebody in which branches everywhere. And you are the CEO, you are not everywhere. Only God, who is the supreme God, that can be everywhere at the same time. That is why he is called omnipresence. Omnipresence. Kwenu is not everywhere. Kwenu planted agents who helping him supersede his affairs and the things on him, using social media and people like JPAC to prolong fear in the minds of people in their program. Igbo is also believers na aka actually be yalo age na family. At the end of the day, Sekwana 40 years has agreed to merge with the one another. You don't know that, and on Sunday, but you kwado say na joke with your family. Don't know na say bala no. What other means to show that you are directly serving Satan if not this woman? That is why I made that thing on Kwenu. Kwenu will make you think that you know what you are doing. But deep down in your heart, he knows you don't know what you are doing. Hope you learned something today.